Every accounting firm is asking the same question. How do I build AI into my process? Maybe you've tried a prompt for variance analysis or vibe coded a tool for reconciliation. It kind of works, sometimes. But when security, auditability, and accuracy are not negotiable, these one-off experiments break. That's why we built Stack, one secure place to orchestrate AI coworkers for accounting. From day one, Stack handles real work end to end, like booking transactions, amortizing prepaids, and reconciliation. It connects directly with the ERPs and systems your clients already use. You can teach Stack your ways of working for every client, and it learns over time, always giving you the final say before anything gets posted, and every action it takes is fully recorded and auditable. The more you build, the lighter the work gets, and the more clients you can take on. Stack. AI built for accounting.